And we are now today here again. It has been a very important day, very beautiful day. It is the time of Mahashivratri and we are trying to purchase and just have it with all this big celebration of Kashmiri Pandits. We are trying to have it in a very nice and in a very enthusiastic manner, and we have purchased, Kashmiri Pandits have purchased the ingredients here, and at the same time we have already explained you all the items which are required for this Mahashivratri. And ladies and gentlemen, now is karo mani wucho ki what are the important masalas, means that which enter our kitchen, so and which are the which have been used by Kashmiri Pandits for very long time, and which are very delicious and which are our enter our soul and heart through our stomach. So let us understand that one by one. तो क्या हमारा चुनाव?
मेरा चुनाव योगिता रेनाधर.
Oh, great meeting you, Mara. Thank you, God bless you. And she will explain us one by one all the ingredients, all the important delicacies, means that what are the spices, what are the items that we use for our this various delicacies preparations, Kashmiri Pandits. So let's go one by one. ये क्या हमारा छु? हमारा के मरचांगन स्पेशल, excellent. अच्छा बदान मारा बदान पाउडर, लेदर पाउडर मारा छु लेदर पाउडर, शोंठ पाउडर मारा, गुड. मोगल चाय क्या? मोगल चाय कुछ मारा? मोगल चाय ही चाहिए. मोगल चाय गुड. It is कहवा, that's very good, excellent. शीर चाय गुड, excellent. अच्छा ये गए ऐसे शीर चाय ना इस तरह सु फुल तो त्रावान तो मेरे सु फुल तो है तो क्या है मोस्टली सु फुल मेलान ये थे, बट देन ये क्या हमारा मेज फुल तो मेज. So this full is also very important because you can have the only place in the world, I don't know, maybe in Kashmir, we are having this sheer chai, this milk tea with full with you know salt. ये क्या हमारा छु?
ये हमारा छु
वायरे टिक्की. That's great, madam.
So basically क्या हो इसको उसमें fresh मसाला था because of climatic conditions.
अच्छा.
Sorry, using is masala chasa. That is based on dry this thing. We dry the products and then we use that spices.
So basically
we don't use fresh munjan which होते अदरक चासान. ऐसे ना अदरक use करा मगर ऐसे शोंठ use करा.
अच्छा. That's why you mean to say that कि भाई it is the dry form of the spices.
Yeah, because we use the dry form of every spice.
Oh, that's great.
We don't use fresh form.
तो तवई छु ये ऐसने से
ये इतकन मुंजन छुते मर्चवांगन पाउडर ये छु होखमुद मर्चवांग.
अच्छा ये होखमुद
बदान ये छु होख बदान तक पाउडर आमुद कर. We don't use सौंफ. ये तो अगर वचुते नॉन कश्मीरी cuisine छु ताक में छु बदान यूजन छु तिम छु शोंठे यूज करा. अच्छा शोंठे यूज करा. अच्छा पाउडर फॉर्म में यूज करा. तिम छु अदरक यूज करा. अच्छा शोंठ यूज करा. पाउडर फॉर्म. गुड. तो अच्छा ये इसीलिए छु ये आमुद है. ये छु it is a combo of all dry masala. All dry masalas. That dry masalas means all these masalas that you are having. It is the combination of that. So if you don't have these masala at all, can you prepare with this only? Oh, that's great. That's very nice. मतलब अगर नहीं हम सारी ऐसे मसाले पाउडर फॉर्म में आसन ये टिक्की फॉर्म में है कोई, and it can do the preparation. The complete preparations can be done by this. Excellent. It can be. This is the alternative of all.
Alternative of all these masalas. तो याद ये मनान चेस. Word tikki.
It is in tikki form. That is why we say tikki. Otherwise, हमारा छह सात वर बना.
वर अच्छा tikki. That's one. Tikki form is very good. Thank you, madam. तो ये क्या हमारा छु?
हमारा छु young.
अच्छा young
क्या छु आसान? Basically using.
Can you explain it slightly? Yeah.
Kashmir पंडितन हुन using cuisine छु. या क्या बनो? सुचुन garlic based, सुचुन onion based.
अच्छा onion या garlic based छु नुसो.
सुचुन tomato based.
अच्छा.
अच्छी young basis पैटर्न छे.
अच्छा young basis पैटर्न नीचो sorry क्या? अच्छा.
अच्छी सन की नतन गाओ कश्मीरी कश्मीर पंडितन हिसाब गाओ garlic, young, टमाटर ये sorry छोट.
अच्छा. तो इसलिए जो ये यंग यूज करा. There is no garlic here. There is
no garlic in any of the spices.
भाई टमाटर तो
No tomatoes, no garlic, no onion, whatever.
No onion. These three things are, and that's why we are using this yanga. Yes. क्या मनान अंग्रेज पढ़न क्या चीज़ बोले? Hing.
ए से कुछ बोलते हैं
ना ना अच्छा it must be something anyway people will tell अच्छा बे क्या हमारा बे तो बड़ी जान चीज तो ये तुम्हारे अच्छी तुली तो ये वार्म it is my most pet you know that winter
Manan banawan ऐसे ये first snowfall हो साथन आतर दाल मसाल बनावा बे लवास
excellent good and then rajma was a special rajma good mara good and what else madam
ये माना जो मंजा अंचार
अच्छा मंजा अंचार that's good
that too prepared this is homemade
excellent good
पान बनावा
अच्छा
इसीम सरी मसाल पान
बे गई बाकी चीज सरी वाली So ladies and gentlemen, have a look. So God bless you. So now you have understood all the good things. Now ladies and gentlemen, you just saw, I explained you, this lady has been kudos to her. She has explained us everything, all the details what are required in a Kashmiri Pandit in the kitchen to make all the delicacies, all the good and all the excellent things that enter our stomach, that we eat, that we relish and we enjoy, and of course it is without, as she explained time and again, very carefully and in very detail. So we thank her. Ladies and gentlemen, God bless you.